Okay, here we go. Let's see. I'd say that's getting pretty close. I think it's starting to rub. That bad? Some kind of crud up in there. What's going on, man?